Okay, quick unboxing video for you here. We got one of these Echo DSRM-2100 battery powered for our business, cutting grass. And why are we doing that? Because I am sick of these things not starting in the heat. They've been okay for us, FS94R, the steels. But in the heat, they don't start, and they never have, and we've been using them 4 years, and you know, you can get them going, but it's still a pain in the neck, and I'm so sick of it. So we're gonna try it out. Who knows, maybe it won't work, maybe it will work for us. Cutting grass for whatever, 8 hours a day, something like that. We'll see how the batteries hold up. Also, Echo, which I think they have on this, I switch out for these Echo speed feed heads because they're so nice. So you get those with it. So anyways, get this out of here. Let's get to it. Looks like somebody already opened it, maybe, maybe not. Okay, we're doing it. Let's see here, what do we got? I don't love the packaging so far, but hey, whatever. Could have been put back in here. Oh, look at this. So, that probably goes together somehow eventually. Here, come take a look at this. Here, we got the head. And look, it's got that speed feed head I was talking about. I really like those. And then it looks like it's just going to connect up here together. It's got a 2-year commercial warranty, so. And then over here, looks like just a trigger and that there. One of those there, hey? You got your manual. We got Stacy soda. And let's see what else we got here. Looks like a charger. Handle. Battery. See, this is the 2.5 amp hour battery. We also got one of these, the 5, to see. I think this was, for this whole setup, it was $200. Extra battery itself, $200, but you need it. If you're going to try to use this, I think you need it. I guess we'll find out. We have just unboxed it, and we'll do a review later. Thanks for watching.